this project to help the farmers to grow the crop in a healthy environment. We are providing a new way of technique for farmers. We are seeing the farms which are located at near Undavalli, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. We have met the farmers who is harvesting his crop, and he said all the problems found by him. The farmer did not care about his health. Farmers are affecting their health while spraying the pesticides which are harmful to humans. The chemicals can bioaccumulate in the body. Do not know how to test soil parameters. Sometimes someone comes and tests the soil, but report takes a long time to come. So to avoid this problem, we are using a column by using different sensors with interfacing the Node MCU. We use Arduino software in our project. In that Arduino software, we have one module that is ESP8266. Temperature sensor, color sensor, soil moisture sensor, motor and driver modules connected to that ESP8266 module. We will show all the data coming from those sensors in the mobile application. We send the data from the server, and that data from the server will rewrite to the ESP8266 module. Now I would like to explain about the hardware components. A temperature sensor is a sensor that measures the temperature of the soil and converts the input data into electrical data. A color sensor is a type of photoelectric sensor which emits light from a transmitter and then detects the light reflected back from the detection object with a receiver. Soil moisture sensor measures the water content in the soil. The motor driver is a module for motors that allows you to control the working speed and direction of motor simultaneously. An electrical motor is a device used to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. To start the server, we have used XMSAMP. To send the data from here to the server, we have write PHP file code. We use MIT app to design the app. To run the ESP8266 module, we have write the Arduino board program. We write a .qsl file to retrieve all this data from the server. We connect the components and put them in the field and tested the final results. The whole process goes on at low cost and it is useful to everyone. Before going to end, let me say thank you.